Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I am a 20K Senior Executive President team member from Hyderabad, representing Herbalife Nutrition as independent associate working for last 17 years. And I am certified nutrition fitness consultant. It's my honor and pleasure to give you this video on particularly talking about the clarifying the doubts on frequently asked questions on the weight loss drugs and Ayurvedic and homeo medicine and vis-a-vis Herbalife. So many people ask us, which is the better treatment? Should we go for Herbalife Nutrition or should we go for Ayurvedic doctor or homeo medicine or for any, kind of English medicine to lose weight? So my answer is don't go by shortcuts, go by high road. What is the actually treatment? You should treat the symptom. You should not treat the symptom. You should treat the disease. You should catch the real thing. Real thing is the problem is the disease. Sometimes we get the pain, we don't know from where, which is the source of the pain. So doctors may give you painkiller. Painkiller only treat the symptom, not the real thing, disease. So sometimes headache and fever, they are outside symptoms. The inside the problem you have to catch. That's exactly called treating the disease. So if you don't catch the thief, that the symptom are outside, it looks like fat, mota. But the root cause is here. Okay, treating the food. Why this man is eating? Because of stress is eating, because of happiness is eating, or because of time pass is eating, and he is here. The root cause, the treating the disease here is mindset. He's totally ignorant what's happening. He's so busy and gulping 10 to 15 times of tea coffee, and is drinking alcohol, and lifestyle totally changed. So to fix that, instead of going for shortcut like giving the Unani medicine or homeo or Ayurvedic or giving English medicine will not help you in the long run. The moment you stop, again you bounce back because it is here. So you have to catch the thief. If you catch the thief, the theft will not happen next time. Okay, otherwise daily one k, some 100 grams of fat will happen. If you understand properly, a person who is 40-50 kilos overweight or 20 kilos overweight, the 20 kilos suddenly overnight will not happen. Daily 5 grams 20 grams some fat will form. So from where these 5 grams 10 grams of fat is forming? Here. And lifestyle, bad lifestyle. So if you understand, the drugs are only for sickness health. Okay, when you go to hospital, sickness health. But people who are under survival and wellness health, you require lifestyle changes. You have to bring them up, not with the drugs, but lifestyle changes with the right nutrition, lifestyle changes like sleep and water and exercise, and all things are important. So in the olden days, they used to do a lot of manual work. They used to eat normal food. But now people are sitting and they consider whatever food they are copying from our ancestors, they're like normal food. It's not normal food, it's abnormal food. We either, one is you are losing qualities in terms of nutrition, values are coming down. Second is we are eating, we are overfed but undernourished, and the calories are too high, lot of sugar and lots of fats and chemicals, a lot of things are there. And the food what we are eating is not actually matching our sedentary lifestyle. Those kind of lifestyle is matching, like active lifestyle. Lot of people, they do a lot of hours together, hard work. For them, that our food is designed. But that's you know, you have to redesign our food according to our lifestyle. So that's the reason why our health and wellness coach is there from Herbalife Nutrition. He will design according to your requirement, how many calories your body requires. Accordingly, we design. And not only exercise, we also design the diet, and we also give you recipes, and we also try to help you what kind of food to be eaten, what kind of recipes to be made. When you go to party, how to eat. When you go to restaurant, how to order the food. When you go to shopping, how to read the labels and buy the food. So those things are very important, vital. So that comes by education, not by going for shortcuts or pills. There is not even one scientific study that proves that optimal vitamins and minerals can be got from our food. Actually, we got it other way around. Our Indian vegetables and fruits remain highly toxic because of pesticides. Okay, so our food is depleted of a lot of nutrients due to improper methods of growing, improper methods of storing, improper methods of cooking. That's the reason why IDA, Indian Dietetic Association, National Institute of Nutrition, NIN, they given this survey officially released in ZTV. It says most of our food, the plate, whatever we are eating, it is devoid of nutrients. We are eating but not to our body. We are eating for our taste, maybe for our tongue. So 30, compared with the last 30, 40 years, our food is almost going down in terms of quality. 70 up to 66 to 73% of B complex vitamins are coming down. Protein is coming down. Lot of nutrients are coming down. Other mother nature, the soil itself is devoid of nutrients. They don't, the nature itself, soil is also losing the nutrition. When the zinc and boron, those kind of nutrients are lesser in the nature, in the soil, then how can you expect in the crop, and how can you expect to your body? Same thing. So with the food what we eating is no more so much healthy. So that's the reason our food is mostly imbalanced. Some are eating excess, some are deficiencies. In addition to that, we have to check your lifestyle also. We take each time your pictures, we track and scan and take measurements. This will not be done by the doctor, the person who is giving you. They don't keep track of all this body fat, BMI, how many body calories body is burning, and how much food you are taking. And we keep track of everything as a health and wellness coach. We do the exercise also. Doctor will not help you to do exercise. You can see me there in the blue t-shirt. You can see me there in green t-shirt. I'm making clients to do different kind of workout. Alongside, we also design the diet. Doctor will not give you this diet. Doctor only give you the medicines. So this diet and exercise and lifestyle, we keep track of the measurements, and we do personalizing the diet and fitness, everything, and do counseling. We understand your world, and we try to help the making different kind of shakes, tasty shakes for your busy life. And we recognize your results and celebrate your results by sharing with different kind of people. We give prizes, we give contests, we give socialize the people, and so that we'll create a healthy community around you. This will not be done by your doctor. Alongside, we also sell some nutritional supplements, but it's not the medicines. You might be understanding. So we give rewards to people, by introducing people, so that to clients, so that you'll also get a cheaper price. So these are some of the results of our clients. You can see wonderful results. And these people, they did not use any drugs. They use nutrition supplements and nutrition shakes of Herbalife Nutrition, and they did some exercises. You can see the wonderful, fantastic results. Any age group, children or younger, and anybody can lose weight. These celebrities, Lavanya Madam, she comes in those TVs, and these are our clients in Khammam. And this man lost about 40 kilos. This man lost 53 kilos plus. In spite of 53, no drugs, nothing. No surgery. Simple, easy. So that's what I'm telling you. This is myself. I'm 50 years now. My wife is 42 years. We both lost weight, looking fantastic. Our goal is not just to lose weight like crazy. Our goal is to maintain weight after losing forever, by educating, understanding, making to realize where is going wrong. So I was a former district registrar, group 1 officer, gazette officer under government of Andhra Pradesh, worked there for 10 years. Then because of my wife, I resigned my job and joined my wife's career. Now I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant and certified sports and nutrition consultant, certified exercise and specialist, certified runner. I'm a marathon runner, cyclist, and CPR AAD certified Zumba and Strong by Zumba instructor, and working in Herbalife Nutrition as an independent associate, as a president member, and in the Herbalife for last 17 years. So to reach out to us, these are the Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and other email IDs. You can also reach out to us. And but we recommend you to talk to the person who has shared this video. Please talk to him. He will guide you. If no one is there around, so you can talk to us. But we are ready to help you. And please share this video to a lot of people, because many people, they don't know the real truth. So please share to them. Some other people, they get educated on this program. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Bye.